Now, as you've probably seen my other videos, I'm not a big fan of Raj Kapoor. But the man had gotten together a great team, and one of them was Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, who was a writer. This film also has been written, this dialogue also has been written by K.A. Abbas. It's from a 1955 film called Shri 420. It is one of the watchable movies of Raj Kapoor. Most of his movies now are unwatchable. Some of them are insufferable. But this one, I would recommend that you watch them. Shri 420. Of course, it has those irritating mannerisms that are insufferable from Raj Kapoor. But those days it used to be very popular. People used to love it. So it so happens this guy is a country bumpkin. He's come to the big bad city of Mumbai, Bombay then. And he's looking for work, going around. So he's standing at the beach. I will not go into the story too much because other sequences can come in other videos. I'll cover them separately. But as he's walking on the beach, he stumbles onto the sand castle being built by Nargis and two little kids who are part of her school. And she gets very angry and she says, some people are just like that, can't build but can destroy. She gets very angry. ईमान बेचते हो और पाप मोल लेते हो. Excessive reaction for somebody who stumbled onto a sand castle, I think. But those were the days. Those were the days, my friend. We thought they would never end. So Raj Kapoor says, then what should such people do? I mean, if I was there, I would say, madam, it's a sand castle. It's supposed to be broken. Give me a... She says, जाके डूब मरो. ऐसे लोगों को जाके डूब मरना चाहिए. Go and drown. And he says, okay, I'm going to attempt suicide. Just 1 minute ago, he's standing on his head, doing a Shirshasana, doing a headstand, and watching naked girls at the beach. And now he wants to commit suicide. मैं जी क्या करूँ जी? She said, डूब मरो. Okay, I'm going to डूब मरो. And he goes and jumps. And this girl feels guilty that I asked him to डूब मरो, I asked him to drown. So she goes and retrieves him from the water. And then this particular scene happens. And there's also a side here that he keeps saying khudkushi and she keeps saying atmahatya. In fact, she keeps saying atmahatya. So she says, तुम आत्महत्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? He says, क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ? So he's like, I don't understand. It's funny that he didn't understand what atmahatya was. Anyway, that was also an aside. Very interesting. And by the end, she also starts saying khudkushi. She says, don't do it. He says, you can't prevent me from committing suicide. So I'm going to try again. So he said, आत्महत्या करना पाप है. अब तो तुम खुदकुशी नहीं करोगे. So he says, क्यों? Why shouldn't I? And then comes this beautiful line. जब और सब पाप कर लिए तो यही क्यों रह जाए. This comes at 37 minutes and 40 seconds into the movie. Beautiful line. जब और सब पाप कर लिए तो यही क्यों रह जाए. When I've done every other conceivable sin, I've committed every other conceivable sin, why should you're saying committing suicide is a sin? Why should this be left out? Let me do this as well. So this is a dialogue which is so beautiful. Although the entire build-up to the dialogue is weak, but the dialogue itself is superb. जब और सब पाप कर लिए तो यही क्यों रह जाए. Party, if you've been binge eating complete junk food and somebody offers 2 samosas after that, you can use it. जब और सब पाप कर लिए तो यही क्यों रह जाए. Beautiful line though, very well written, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. One of the watchable films of Raj Kapoor, although he's still insufferable. Even in this scene, मैं जी क्या जी करता हूँ, मैं तो खुदकुशी करता हूँ. Oh my God.